Welcome to Osaka. Today I want to show you Osaka Castle and I have some tips for you if you plan to take a trip there. This is the entrance from the Morinomiya station. There are big parks all around the castle with lots of cherry blossom trees and beautiful flowers. To get here, you can choose from one of 4 stations to arrive. For the complete tour of all the sightseeing spots, I'd recommend to go to the Tanimachi Yongchome station and walk towards the Otemon gate, or take the electric car to move from spot to spot. I will show that entrance later. This is the Osaka Castle Park fountain, where the road train starts. You can also find some shops here. A good tip for tourists is the Osaka Amazing Pass. With it, you can visit more than 40 tourist attractions all over Osaka. You can ride the metro and most of the buses with it. And you get many more advantages. I post the link with all the information about it in the description. The 1-day pass costs only around $20 and the 2-day pass is around $25. It activates after the first use and it stays active for either 24 or 48 hours after that. This is the castle entrance from the Tanimachi Yongchome station. Here you can see the Otemon gate, and after that the Tamon Yagura. This is Shudokan, a martial arts school. Afterwards, you can see the Hokoku Shrine, which was built in honor of Toyotomi Hideyoshi, a famous samurai and feudal lord, in Japanese, daimyo. This is the main entrance to the castle. Here you can see the castle from a bit far away. This building is a restaurant, cafe and wedding venue, together with the Illusion Museum. Inside the castle is a museum, and the top part of the castle is a viewing point where you have a very nice view of the city. Now let's walk to the castle from the other side. To the left here is the plum grove. It is very beautiful in early March and April, when it blooms right before the cherry blossom season in Osaka starts. This is the Gokurakobashi Bridge that connects to the castle. You can arrive here with the road train, or just walk over. Also, here is the ticket booth for the boat ride with the golden boats. From the golden boat you have the best view of the castle, and there is even an English guide. From here you have a really nice view of the castle. Now, let's walk up to the castle. Every place is accessible with a wheelchair. But the slope from this side is quite a piece of work, so I suggest going from the main entrance. Now, enjoy a few more views and closer looks at the castle. And at last, this is my favorite view of the castle, with the beautiful water reflection in the pond. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Osaka Castle. Please like the video. If you want to see more of Japan, subscribe to my channel.